Hello everybody, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Let's start our class. I cover CBSE NCERT syllabus. Today I am going to teach class 3rd, subject computer, topic coding. Students, coding is not a new term, but still I want to explain what is the importance of coding in our life. Listen it carefully. We live in a technology driven world, and there is no surprise that in the coming days or years everything will become more and more computer dependent. Our kids will be living in a time when technology will rule the world. It falls under the parents' responsibility to prepare their children from an early age so that they do not get lost in the ocean of technologies in the future. Students, as you know, day by day technology is increasing. For each and every purpose we are using technology. Okay, see how. Earlier, how you are preparing the food by chulha, but nowadays inductions you are using for preparing or cooking the food. Induction is fully computerized. You can set the timing, you can set the temperature. Okay. Earlier you are going to school for learning the lessons, but nowadays you are able to learn lessons in your home because teachers are online, many coaching centers are online. You can study through your smartphone and laptop anytime, anywhere. Offices are fully automated. Let's see example of bank. Now you don't need to go to bank for opening your bank account for transactions, taking money, fund transfer, money transfer. You can do each and everything with the help of your mobile phone. I think in future you will not be dependent to anyone except technology. Nowadays people are doing their job online in their home. This is the highest level of the technology which offers everything you can do with the help of technology. Recently we are using technology in a very highest level, but when you grow up the involvement of technology will be increasing only. Okay, there will be no work which is not computerized, or even a small to high level of the work will be computerized only. So it is our responsibility as a parents, as a teacher, as a guardian to teach our kids coding. because coding is the basic thing which enables us to learn technology, programming, developing computer and smartphone apps. I hope you are understanding whatever I am speaking. Let me speak in Hindi so that who are watching my videos who are not able to understand in English, I want to make this video benefits for them. तो देखिए, जैसा कि हम आजकल टेक्नोलॉजी संचालित जीवन में जी रहे हैं, कोविड-19 का समय है और हम अपने घरों में हैं। बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहे हैं क्योंकि स्कूल बंद है, और जो भी ऑफिस में काम करने वाले लोग हैं वो भी अपना काम ऑनलाइन अपने घरों में बैठकर कर रहे हैं। तो इस प्रकार से टेक्नोलॉजी ने हमारे जीवन को बदल के रख दिया है, और आने वाले समय में इस टेक्नोलॉजी का क्षेत्र और भी व्यापक होता जाएगा, ऐसी उम्मीद है। आने वाला समय टेक्नोलॉजी से भरा है। हम टेक्नोलॉजी के महासागर में जीने वाले हैं। तो इस प्रकार से हमें अभी से अपने बच्चों को इस प्रतिस्पर्धा के लिए तैयार करना है, जिससे कि आने वाले जीवन में कोई भी कठिनाई का सामना ना कर सके, कठिनाई का सामना ना करें और अपने जीवन को बेहतर बना सकें। ऐसा हमें अपने बच्चों को तैयार करना है। Now I am going to explain what is coding. Coding is a term for computer programming. It is how we give instruction to a computer. Probably many of us already know this, but it might sound an impossible task for kids to learn how to code. It is entirely like learning a new language with much more complexity. How would kids manage to learn this? What are coding classes for kids? Students, I am talking to you and I am using a language. Which language I am using? I am using English language, because you understand English, I understand English, so I am using English language. Okay, but if I want work from my laptop, from my smartphone, or if I want to work from any machine, okay, so we cannot give instruction to them in English language, because machine cannot understand English language. For that purpose we need to learn machine language, because machine can understand only machine language. There is no other language, English, Hindi, Marathi, Telugu, like that. Okay, so this is called coding. What instruction you write, what instruction you give to the machine or any computer, laptop, it is called coding. In simple words, coding is a term to give instruction to the computer in machine language. Understood? तो यहाँ पर कोडिंग को आपको मैं एक बार हिंदी में समझा देता हूँ। कोडिंग एक ऐसा टर्म है जो कि कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। कोडिंग का मतलब ये है कि हम किसी भी मशीन, जैसे कि लैपटॉप, स्मार्टफोन या दुनिया के किसी भी कंप्यूटर को कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन देना चाहते हैं कि कंप्यूटर ये काम हमारे लिए कर दे, तो उसके लिए हमें मशीन लैंग्वेज को सीखना जरूरी होगा। और मशीन लैंग्वेज में कुछ प्रोग्राम या इंस्ट्रक्शन देना ही कंप्यूटर को कोडिंग कहलाता है। ये छोटे बच्चों के लिए समझना थोड़ी मुश्किल होगा, लेकिन छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम बनाकर हम बच्चों को कोडिंग का मतलब सिखा सकते हैं। What is coding for kids? If we simplify coding, it is just a process of communication with the computer. The computer understands certain language and we needs to instruct the computer in those specific languages. Coding is taught to kids in a very interesting and simplified manner so that they do not get confused. It is presented to them through different projects, games, etc. Lesson of computer coding for kids can be started by the age of 5, since most of the course content is taught via games and visual block interface. Text-based coding for children is also possible, but that entirely depends on the age of the child. So students, once again I am going to explain what is coding for kids. As you know, coding is a process of communication with the computer. Computer is a machine, and if you want to communicate with machine, you need to learn another language, that is machine language. But machine language is very difficult to understand. Okay, so we have simplified machine language into similar some other computer languages. Those are called high-level languages. So kids can interact with those high-level languages and they can perform some work in the computer. For example, playing games, animations, moving the turtle on the screen, using some simple commands, so that kids can enjoy the coding. Otherwise they will become bored if they directly learn machine language. Okay, so kids, what is coding? कोडिंग का मतलब है कि कंप्यूटर को कुछ भी इंस्ट्रक्शन देना है, आदेश देना है, उसके लिए हम कुछ ऐसी लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल करेंगे जो कि कंप्यूटर समझ सकता है, ठीक है, उसी को हम कोडिंग बोलेंगे। कोडिंग मतलब इंस्ट्रक्शन देना कंप्यूटर को, लेकिन वो लैंग्वेज क्या होना चाहिए? वो मशीन लैंग्वेज होना चाहिए जिससे कि कंप्यूटर वो समझ सके, स्मार्टफोन वो समझ सके। ऐसा लैंग्वेज में जो भी हम कंप्यूटर में इंस्ट्रक्शन देंगे वो कोडिंग कहलाता है। तो शुरू में बच्चों को हम बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोग्राम नहीं दे सकते हैं, हम बच्चों को वही लैंग्वेज सिखाते हैं जो कि वो आसानी से सीख सकें, और इसमें ऐसे प्रोग्राम बनाए जाते हैं जिसमें कि वो एंजॉय कर सकें, जैसे गेम खेलना, एनिमेशन देखना, कार्टून बनाना, ऐसी चीज़ें कोडिंग के माध्यम से बच्चों को सिखाई जाती हैं। तो खेल खेल में बच्चे कोडिंग सीख जाते हैं। What is coding language? If you want to code means instruction to the computer. You need a language, and there is one language, machine language, but machine language everybody cannot learn. Okay, so some other languages are developed which can be understood by human. So these languages are coding languages. Coding language is basically the language that the computer understands. There are different coding languages such as Java, Visual Block, Python and C. Programmers use these languages to instruct the computer. तो अब कंप्यूटर में प्रोग्राम बनाने के लिए, कोडिंग करने के लिए बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल जावा, विजुअल बेसिक, विजुअल ब्लॉक, पाइथन एंड सी। दीज आर कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेजेस और कोडिंग लैंग्वेज। What is the coding course for kids? Coding courses for kids are generally high on ideation, logical reasoning as well as learning that interprets the kids to know more about the technology. In this type of course, kids are taken through many programming and game or mobile application development projects. They also get to learn about artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, etc. But all these are taught in a very fun-filled and engaging manner so that the kid doesn't feel like she is learning something very difficult. Things are offered to them in a very play-like manner. So nowadays coding courses are designed for the kids. It means kids can also learn coding, programming, mobile apps development. Okay, but coding is little difficult, so we don't want that kids should feel it is very difficult, I cannot learn. So we teach coding to the students in a friendly way, or in which way, so that kids can enjoy the coding with the help of internet, animations, like that. तो कोडिंग जो है किड्स को सीखना ज़रूरी है, और उसमें हम मोबाइल ऐप्स डेवलपमेंट कराना, इंटरनेट, प्लेइंग द गेम्स, एनिमेशंस, ऐसी चीज़ें हम कराते हैं जिससे कि स्टूडेंट का जो ध्यान है कोडिंग की तरफ केंद्रित होता रहे और वो बोर ना हो, और उसको ऐसा ना लगे कि कोडिंग तो बहुत कठिन है और मैं इसको नहीं कर सकता हूँ. The important factors to keep in mind while choosing coding course for kids. Engaging lesson. It should be engaging and entertaining, otherwise the kid will lose interest and might even start developing a fear for the lesson. Proper mentorship. Kids need attention, and when they are put into learning something so complex as coding, they might be given extra attention. Parents should keep this in mind and choose kids coding classes where one-to-one mentorship available. So while choosing the coding course for the kids, lessons should be engaging, so that students should give more and more time to the coding course, then only he can understand. Okay, and for the coding class, one-to-one mentorship is required. If the students or kid is facing any difficulty, the teacher should directly individually help to him so that he can better understand. Otherwise, he will think that it is very difficult, and later on he will not show any interest for the coding. Personalized course. Even child is different, and so is their capability. While choosing the right classes for computer coding for kids, parents must first check if the course content is customizable. Every child is different in nature and his capability is different, so it is responsibility of parents or teacher customize design of coding course for the kid so that he can also learn coding, because there are different languages, and which language is suitable for him, which course is suitable for him, it should be decided by his parents or teacher. So coding course should not be static, it should be dynamic and student oriented, and it should be based on student capability. तो इसको अगर मैं थोड़े शब्दों में कहूँ तो कोडिंग सीखना सभी के लिए आसान नहीं है, क्योंकि सभी बच्चों का मानसिक स्तर अलग अलग होता है, लेकिन वो कंप्यूटर की किस भाषा को आसानी से सीख सकते हैं, ये टीचर और पेरेंट्स को सोचना है कि कंप्यूटर की किस भाग में वो महारत हासिल कर सकते हैं. तो इसमें कंप्यूटर में कोडिंग भी कई प्रकार की होती है, तो कौन सी कोडिंग बच्चे के लिए सूटेबल है वही कोडिंग बच्चों को सिखाना चाहिए. Benefits of learning computer coding for kids. Keeping aside the fact that coding is an emerging lesson to learn, there are several other beneficial facts as well which will help the children in many ways. Cognitive skill development. With the learning of code writing, kids gradually get exposed to the problem solving process that helps in their cognitive development while learning to code. Children break the complex problems into small parts and approach to those with a logical thinking mind. There are many other benefits of learning computer coding for kids. Keeping aside the fact that coding is an emerging lesson. Okay, earlier children were learning storage, poems, etc. But nowadays they have sharp mind to solve the problems. So coding is need of each and every child, so that through the coding he can learn how a problem should be solved. It also helps for cognitive skill development. That means a whole problem should be broken into parts, and each and every part individually should be solved. Through coding, students learn how to solve a big problem into pieces. तो कोडिंग से केवल सॉफ्टवेयर डिजाइन या मोबाइल ऐप का डेवलपमेंट नहीं होता है. कोडिंग सीखने से मानसिक विकास भी होता है. इससे हम जीवन के में आने वाली समस्याओं का समाधान करना सीखते हैं. अगर बहुत बड़ी समस्या आ गई है तो कोडिंग ये सिखाती है कि बहुत बड़ी समस्याओं को छोटे छोटे पीसेस में बांट सकते हैं और उसको 1 by 1 सॉल्व करेंगे तो पूरी की पूरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी. इससे हमें टीम वर्क भी सीखने को मिलता है, क्योंकि जब हम किसी ऐप पर काम करते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट पर काम करते हैं, तो एक बड़े सॉफ्टवेयर पर कई सारे लोग काम करते हैं अलग अलग मॉड्यूल पर, और तब कहीं जाकर एक बड़ा सॉफ्टवेयर बनता है. तो ये कोडिंग हमें टीम वर्क भी सिखाती है. तो आज की कोडिंग क्लास आपको कैसी लगी? मुझे उम्मीद है कि इस क्लास के माध्यम से आपका इंटरेस्ट कोडिंग पर कुछ बढ़ा होगा. आई होप नाउ यू विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग in my next class, coming class. So I want that you need to subscribe my channel, so that when I prepare further lesson for the coding, and I hope you will really enjoy those coding classes. So please subscribe this channel so that you can get the notification of my next video. Like this video to your friends so that they can also join and they can learn with you in the same channel, and share the video with your friends so that they can also learn coding. So thank you everybody. We will meet in our next class.